Science with Folly.
Kia ora. Welcome to Science with Folly. Today, we're going to be learning about using the microscope. And here's one here. Now, the main parts on a microscope are the eyepiece lens, the objective lenses, the stage, the light, and most importantly, the two focus knobs, the coarse focus knob and the fine focus knob. With this microscope, the eyepiece lens is 10 times. This objective lens is 4 times. So 4 times 10 gives you a total magnification of 40 times. This one here is 10 times, and this one here is 40 times. So 10 times 10 is 100 times, and 40 times 10 is 400 times. One of the most important things when using a microscope is the slide, this little piece of glass here. And the slide is where you put your samples that you're going to view under the microscope. On top of the slide, we put a cover slip, this little tiny, thin piece of glass. When you prepare a microscope slide, you put your sample on the slide, then you put some water or some stain on top. Then you grab your cover slip on an angle, collect up some of that water or stain and drop it down. And as you can see, your slide's prepared. So to view your slide, you put it on the stage, hold it down with a clip, make sure your sample's right in the center. Make sure you start by using the smallest objective lens. So in this case, it's the 4 times, or 4 times 10, giving me 40 times magnification. Then use the coarse focus knob to get it in focus. And once it's in focus, you can adjust it with the fine focus knob. Then you can increase your magnification, move it around to, in this case, 10 times, which is 10 times 10, 100 times, and now only use your fine focus knob to adjust the focus. So yeah, using a microscope is pretty easy. Hope you learned something. Ka kite anō.
Science with Folly. Science with Folly. Science with Folly.